Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming firmware and power. Update the Beat Studio Pro and charge to 100% so battery sag doesn't limit volume. Once done, turn off active noise cancellation and any adaptive audio features because they can compress perceived loudness. Use a wired 3.5 or USB-C connection rather than Bluetooth for max signal strength. Make sure the cable is fully seated. Also check your source device volume limiter or headphone safety settings and disable limits so the headphones can receive full output. You now focus on the signal chain and tone control to increase loudness without distortion. First, raise your source device's output and disable any software limiters. Use lossless audio where possible. Then add gentle preamp gain of 3 to 6 dB in your playback app or DAW, watching meters to avoid clipping. Equalize. A low shelf boost around 80 to 120 Hz adds perceived loudness, and roll off subsonic below about 30 Hz to free headroom. Make incremental changes and a /B frequently to you finish by controlling dynamics so louder means cleaner. Insert a gentle compressor at a 2:1 ratio with 3 to 6 dB reduction to increase RMS perceived loudness, then make up gain to taste. Follow with a soft knee limiter to catch peaks. Test with reliable reference tracks and aim for consistent LUFS levels rather than pushing peaks. If you hear distortion, immediately reduce preamp gain or the makeup gain. If issues persist, switch to wired connection and recheck firmware, and cable integrity as your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.